Hey there, Beehive. I'm Dave.
I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Lindsay.
Welcome to another
season of Beehive Sports.
If you're new, remember, Beehive is for fun, it's for friends, it's occasionally for falling on your ass. You've already made the playoffs, so call your mom and share the good news.
But first, here are a few tips to make sure that this season is your favorite season of Beehive yet.
First, don't take this too seriously. Winning and losing isn't as important as keeping a smile on your face at all times. Second, the schedule will be released a couple days before your first game, and your shirt will be at the field week 1. So if you have a question, get at us on the website or shoot a WhatsApp message to the number tattooed on my face. So have a good time out there. And let us know if there's anything we can do to make it more fun. Can't do enough tape.